CHZ generally faces obstruction at 20 cents, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. CHZ basically acquired roughly 1.3% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20, which really is very huge. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the previous week acquiring 1.94%, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. 18 October 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some things, facts, what generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, for the most part is CHZ an excellent venture, which explicitly is very critical. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which essentially is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to jumping extremely profound into the CHZ specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the by and large current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly complete exchanging volume really remains at $45,617,703,149 in an especially huge manner. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, which explicitly is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, certainly further appearance how CHZ generally faces obstruction at 20 cents, or so they for the most part thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, or so they fundamentally thought. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which by and large is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is very critical. These occasions for the most part show that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending, heading for pretty momentary in an extremely significant manner. As of now, a very broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for pretty present moment, which generally is genuinely huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers most certainly become genuinely more lovely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really shows that XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 0.26 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors most certainly become move kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, which most certainly is very critical. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, sort of is at $0.057, up 1.3% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 1.94% over the course of the week, exhibiting that Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week acquiring 1.94%, or so they explicitly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC is 66,966,706.00 United States dollars, while kind of all-out market cap came to $428,776,818 United States dollars, or so they basically thought. They're sort of or practically 7,492,079,839 in every way that really matters, are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in a very significant manner. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 18 October 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time period, certainly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how following generally are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, fundamentally is at $0.057. Up 1.3% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 1.94% over the course of the week, showing that Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week, acquiring 1.94% in a huge manner. We utilize most certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving really normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Chilliz, or so they most certainly thought. The by and large relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin, basically is right now floating at 28 for 14 days truly normal line, which in every practical sense implies CHZ by and large is an oversold zone, and a pattern in every practical sense, inversion in a real sense is conceivable. Kind of additional appearance how Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions generally demonstrate that the market truly is going in a very descending bearing for present moment, which really is very huge. The Chilliz really has explicitly break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things essentially are not searching in every practical sense, great for the crypto market, showing that CHZ most certainly acquired roughly 1.3% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. As of now, basically bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively especially take CHZ cost beneath the critical help level of 17 cents. Further appearance how XRP the fundamentally local coin of XRP truly is somewhere around 0.26 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. The CHZ United States dollar moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD, marker by and large, is demonstrating an in every practical sense, present moment in a real sense, sell truly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath truly signal line which generally implies, for the most part bears certainly are ruling on the lookout, showing how CHZ sort of countenances obstruction at 20 cents. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While CHZ's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, most certainly signal basically is by and large conceivable at this reach, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz market in a real sense gives a bullish indications, and bulls can in a real